Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about how to grow white sage. Now there's all different types of sages. They're all in the salvia family and they're all related, and they come from all parts of the world. Now white sage is native to southern United States and the northern part of Mexico, and it's been used for thousands of years for many medicinal reasons. There's all different types of sages, but what they have in common is they like warm, hot sun, good arid conditions, really dry, sandy soil. And so you want to grow them somewhere where it's really warm and sunny, and you want to use soil that's real sandy and not just compost alone. It needs good drainage. It needs to actually lack in nutrition. So when you're planting a sage plant, you can start it from seed or you can start it from a plant. So when I start or transplant the plants, I always want to break apart the roots and give them a little more oxygen so that they will grow quicker. And when you're planting or transplanting sage, you can put it right into the ground or you can put it right into a container. But you want to make sure that the stem is not covered with soil. It just tops the roots so that it doesn't suffocate either. And just cover it up. Now you want to water it, but let it dry out really well, and then that way it won't rot, because if it sits in water, it will start rotting. So you always want good drainage on your sage in full hot sun. Now white sage is a beautiful plant for the garden, but it's also used for smudging. So Native Americans have used the white sage for centuries, and they use it for smudging. So they wrap it with string and then they burn it to purify the house. So it has lots of medicinal values as well as being a great garden plant.